Hey everyone, I wanted to do a quick demo of wav0. If you go to wav0.vercel.app, this is a vibe coding dev for musicians. And so similar to V0, you've got setup prompts, but unlike V0, all of this is related to musicians, music, and art. So if you want to do something like create a link tree, you can create a custom link tree, and then it'll start to write all that code for you. It writes the code, then it filters the code, and then it deploys the code and it gives you your own custom URL, all for free. And so I've already got some examples running over here. This is another example of the link tree. It generated all the code and it is currently installing the dependencies and deploying that. And so you can just give a prompt. I gave one single prompt and then it went and generated the entire application so that now I don't need to go to Linktree and I don't need to pay their subscription and I don't have to worry about them changing the product without me wanting them to. I create my own version of Linktree. I host it. I own it. I don't worry about anybody changing it. I don't worry about any platform changing it. It's my version of the app. And so when it finishes, you get a button where you can view your app, and then you click on the link. And now I've got my own custom link tree that was just generated on the fly. And you can use this for any app that you want. So I've also built out a merch page. Let's see what that one's deploying right now. And we're also building out a collective drop page. And that one looks like it is in process and it's wrapping up the build and now it's deploying. So we can now check out, this is a collective drop page. These were one single shot, one prompt to get the entire app built, all with a focus on musicians. So if you are a musician and you want to build apps but you don't know how to code, go to wav0.vercel.app to start building with vibe coding for free.